A man on the deck of a ship 16 meters above water level observes that the angle of elevation and depression respectively of the top and the bottom of a cliff are 60 degree and 30 degree. Calculate the distance of the cliff from the ship and the height of the cliff. Let it is cliff and BC is the distance of the deck of the ship and water level is this, and height of the deck from the water level is 16 meters above. It is the position of man, and from point D he observed that the angle of elevation of the top of the cliff is 60 degree. It is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the bottom, angle of depression, because man is above the foot of the cliff, means the bottom of the cliff. Then we make angle of depression 30 degree, and it is angle EDB is equal to angle DBC, because these are alternate angles. Let the distance between the cliff and the ship is x, and the height of the cliff is, since DC is equal to EB, then it is 16, and we let AE equal H. Now let AB is the cliff and point D is the position of man. Now in triangle there are two right angle triangle. First is DCB and second is AED. We can also take angle DEB. In triangle DCB, tan 30 equal perpendicular upon base. Value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3, perpendicular is 16 and base is x, then x equal 16 root 3. The distance between the cliff and the ship is 16 root 3 meter. Now in triangle ADE we apply tan 60. Tan 60 equal perpendicular, which is AE, and base, which is DE. Since DE is equal to x, then tan 60 root 3, AE is h and DE is x. Then h equal root 3x. The value of root 3 is, the value of x is 16 root 3 from equation first. Then h equal 48. Height of the building, height of the cliff is the sum of AE and EB. AE is h and EB is 16. H is 48 plus 16 and it is 64 meter. Height of the cliff is 64 meter, and the distance between cliff and ship is 16 root 3 meter, and it is answer.